What's up, everybody? As you can see, I got the Kreg mini track installed. Just did cut a dado that fit it nice and snug, and then used flathead screws to attach it. I didn't use my dado stack because I was being lazy and didn't feel like putting it in, so I just made a couple passes with my regular blade in. I believe it's drawing a blank, it's red. Anyway, Diablo, that's what it is. And there was no tear out at all, so I didn't have to tape it or anything. That worked well. Got that ready to go. And I have my stop block glued up. I have a piece of oak in as the spline, and then I have it set up with my, actually that drill press table is made by Wen, complete with the adjustable stop block, and the fence is also adjustable. I have a review on my channel if you want to check it out. It's inexpensive and I highly recommend it. It attaches like super simple with those plastic tabs, and you can turn them either way. Like I have the long end in. If your table is bigger, you flip it around and the small side mounts on there. Great table. I got it through the Home Depot Seeds program, and this is the first time I've used it other than to test it for the review. So I'm excited to use it. And that's on my Craigslist find drill press. It's a rigid. I'll probably upgrade that down the road just to get something that's more true, but for what I do, it's been fine. So I'm going to drill that, and then we'll test fit the 1/4 bolt. So now we're going to go over here, and I have my 1/4 bolt right there. That might be a little short till I get my chisel, and I got to chisel it out right there, but fits like really well. So what we're going to do is, let's push that down like that without falling off. So oops, sorry guys. If it'll focus. Doesn't want to. Anyway, I don't want you to go crazy with this. So basically I'm going to mark here and mark here. Grab the chisel. Get that little section out so the bolt is flush with the top of the stop block. Alright, did a little test fit. It's fairly smooth here, but when sometimes I'm hitting, I think I might be bottoming out in the back. I don't have it pulled through enough, but I don't know what I'm hitting back there. I think I'm hitting that one screw. So probably some fine tuning, but it's in there.